Glenn with GC Landscaping. Today I'm bringing you guys into my business, and I'm showing you guys how I'm just a regular guy. I started from nothing, just finished up this yard, edged and mowed it. Let me know what you guys think. I got this nice edge right here going on, so I made it look nice and crispy right here. Try to make it look nice, and then made sure I blew out the patio. And so yeah, let me know what you guys think on that. But yeah, I started from nothing. I started landscaping 2-3 years ago. I started with a company. My brother got me in, and that's where I got most of my experience. On the weekends, I used borrowed tools, and then I started going out there for myself, knocking on doors and getting clients. And I had no work. We would go out there on Sundays and just get the work done, get the estimates, and then do them there and then, book them in, and then yeah, little by little, I started saving up. And I finally got my truck. I got this Chevy 2001, as you guys can see. I call her La Poderosa because she's just a beast in my eyes. She makes me money. And I got these boards up right here. They're all falling apart right now. Well, they're not too bad. I got my tools back here, and I got this board to help me hold up my tools, and a couple hand tools, and I don't got no $50,000 trucks, no fancy dump truck. So I got this trailer I picked up for like $600, and I'm still working on boarding it, but it's holding my trash. There's some trash from the other days, but yeah, just out here getting it. I picked up this truck for I think like 1,300, and then I just added the board. I got the wood for free at my old job. So I just been doing it for like a month now, and out here getting work, and just going door to door and and getting work, and actually getting it done. Trying to get it done that same day, staying positive, motivated. Out here, I'm about to go to the next yard right now. I got another cleanup today. I have a few yards lined up for today, and yeah, it's going. Tonight I'm gonna try to go do some more hunting, because tomorrow I'm gonna be in Youngtown, Arizona. So I got a couple yards lined up there in that neighborhood. I want to go out tonight and get some more, and we're gonna make it happen tonight. So if you guys want to see me get some more yards tonight, see me out there with my clipboard, not scared and just getting it. This is real live footage right here. So let me know what you guys think. Cool. Later.